Welcome back to the Get Lost project. This time we're in Cyprus, staying at Chrysomare Beach Hotel and Resort, part of the Tsokkos Hotel Group. The hotel is located just outside Ayia Napa in a much calmer and more relaxed area. From Larnaca Airport, it's around 45 minutes by car, making the journey quick and easy. In this video, I'll take you through the hotel, show you the rooms, pools, spa, the gym, food, and then show you what you can explore within walking distance, including some truly unique experiences. Before we start, here's some useful information to know during your stay. Breakfast is from 7 till 10, lunch is from 12:30 till 2:30 p.m, dinner is from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m, and snacks are from 10 till 5:30. The opening hours of the bars, lobby bar from 10 till 1 a.m, sunset bar from 5 p.m. till 1 a.m, pool bar from 9:30 till 5:30, indoor pool from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m, the gym is from 7 till 8, the wellness spa is from 9 till 7, and the swimming pools are open from 8 till 5 p.m. The all-inclusive package ends at midnight and the checkout is at 11. We originally booked a standard superior room, but whether it was due to low season or simply good timing, we were lucky enough to be upgraded to a superior apartment with the sea view. And honestly, the views we woke up to every morning and fell asleep to every night were absolutely breathtaking. At that point, the TV became completely unnecessary. The room itself was very spacious and extremely well equipped. There was plenty of storage, large wardrobes, cabinets, chest of drawers, and a makeup table. You also will find a safe, hairdryer, and basic toiletries provided. The bathroom was one of the highlights. Very spacious with 2 sinks, bathrobes and towels changed daily. Everything felt comfortable, practical and well thought out. Outside the hotel features 3 outdoor swimming pools, with water temperatures around 20 degrees, refreshing and ideal for Cyprus weather. Around the pool area, you'll find 2 bars and 1 snack bar, serving burgers, hot dogs, wraps, fries, nachos, salads and unlimited ice cream throughout the day. It's one of those setups where you'll never feel restricted. You can easily spend the entire day between the pool, the bar and the snack area without needing to plan anything. The indoor pool is heated and open until 8 p.m, with water temperatures reaching up to 37 degrees, making it perfect for evenings or cooler days. From the indoor pool area, you'll have direct access to saunas, spa facilities and the gym and fitness room. I have to say, the gym is very well designed. There's plenty of space between equipment which makes training comfortable, and a separate room where you can do yoga, street workout training or attend fitness classes. It never felt crowded or chaotic. The restaurant experience was impeccable from start to finish. As you enter, you're greeted by a waiter who asks for your room number, checks your seating preference, either inside or outside, and personally guides you to your table. Once seated, your drink order is taken immediately, and while that's being prepared, you're free to explore the buffet. The selection is extensive. Different meat cuts, seafood, sushi, fresh salads, and a dedicated kids section, so younger guests always have something to enjoy. The staff were incredibly attentive throughout the stay, always present, always helpful, but never intrusive. Unfortunately, the Italian a la carte restaurant was closed during our stay due to the off-season, so we didn't get the chance to try it. One evening, we were surprised with a cake, a small but thoughtful gesture that added a personal touch to the whole experience. One of the hotel's biggest advantages is its direct access to Sandy Bay Beach. The beach is calm, sandy, and much quieter than the main beaches in Ayia Napa, a perfect hideaway if you're looking to relax. It's worth mentioning that, as is the standard across Cyprus, sunbirds and umbrellas are paid separately. We had our paddleboards shipped direct to the hotel, which made exploring the coastline incredibly easy. A great tip here, bring snorkeling masks with you. Just a 50 minutes walk alongside the pier from the hotel, you'll reach the famous Nissi Beach. If you walk in the opposite direction, you can reach the MUSAN, Museum of Underwater Sculpture in Ayia Napa. From the shore, the museum is quite far out, so you need to be a confident swimmer, or even better, take a paddleboard just as we did. It makes the journey much easier, safer, and more enjoyable. MUSAN is one of the largest underwater sculpture parks in the world, featuring over 90 sculptures. Designed to act as an artificial reef, supporting marine life and promoting ocean conservation. Around Sandy Bay Beach, the underwater world is full of life. You can spot sea urchins,
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna
lionfish, and pay close attention because they've actually hid pretty well here. They're actually very dangerous to humans and other marine life due to their venomous spines, but they are not aggressive and are very fascinating to observe from a safe distance. Even for beginners, this area offers a truly memorable snorkeling experience. Chrysomare Beach Hotel and Resort is one of those places that simply works. A great location, calm beach access, excellent food, attentive staff, and facilities that make you feel looked after from morning until night. If this video helped you, inspired you, or made you want to book your next escape, you know what to do. Until the next journey, let's just get lost.